Now we will show you the possibility of the function that manage the assemblies with this significant assembly. So I will launch the function. At the beginning, the system distinguish the sheet metal parts and the non-sheet metal parts. Now is unfolding every part, every sheet metal part, and creating the DXF associated to this part. But as we will see, some parts can have some problems. The result is a table with first the sheet metal parts sorted by thicknesses, and we also give the occurrences. Then we have there a link to get the DXF. And then we have also some parts, this one, which may be sheet metal, so we will see what it means. We have, of course, the non-sheet metal parts, and some of them, one here, have unfolding problem. Those problems are at the bottom of the screen. For example, this part, which is this part, is almost sheet metal, but of course we have to add some bands to get a perfect sheet metal part. Then this one, which is we have unfolding problem. In fact, we can check that the unfolding is wrong because one band is not flattened. So we will go back to the part and remove the sheet metal aspect. And in fact, the problem comes from this corner. We will remove this corner and then convert again. The part now can be unfolded correctly. So you see that we have the assembly, which is completely converted in sheet metal, except the part which are in mechanical parts, and the tree here is what we expected.